Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will speak about Standard & Poor's 500 ETF Fund Trust, so ticker name SPY, traded at New York Stock Exchange. Well, SPY is actually showing very interesting, strong upwards behavior, and of course long term it's very positive buy at almost any moment if you're buying for a year period or so. But if you're a short-term player, it's interesting to know where is the interesting buy opportunity, and you need to catch the wave actually. So it's all about catching the wave and understanding where the next wave is coming. For that, let's do a quick analysis here. So starting from the March 17th, 23rd for this position, actually it was the lowest days due to COVID situation. Then we observed very strong recovery sequence, which actually went very well. There was one track which lasted up to actually let's say 8th of June, where many stocks had a deceleration, or many positions had a deceleration of the upwards behavior. Similar was here for 1 month almost. We took until the end of July, kind of flattening and following moving average 50, the red line here, and then we started another upward sequence, which is working now, and this way you can call it trend 1, trend 2, and trend 3 here. In general, trend 3 is just continuation of trend 1, a little bit slower, but it's ongoing very well. And you can see here with waves, it was reconfirmed trend 1 many times. Then just at the beginning of June, there was kind of deceleration. Trend 2 kind of reconfirmation took place with one wave, and then we have another waves going for trend 3, etc. So actually here also it's important to remember that we have 3 moving averages depicted: moving average 20, 50, and 200 being green, blue, and red lines correspondingly. So it's also important to understand now that trend 3 is actually exactly following moving average 20, and it's also used as a support line here. You can see it was indeed the case end of June, then about 12th of July, also end of July, and now what we see that we are kind of finishing the wave, so the upwards wave is flattening, but it's not really about to end the wave. It's in so-called boost mode, because if you look at RSI, it's just about to pierce towards overbought situation, like it was, for example, in June 8th. And here you can see nice example of boost mode in June 8th wave. So it went like flattening first, and then it went like extra acceleration, and then sudden cut. So it's like wave, acceleration, and sudden cut. This is called the boost mode. The last part here, it's a boost mode. Now we're about to form similar situation. Actually, for example, previous wave of trend 3 line was also with a small boost, so we were flat and smart boost and correction. Here the same, an indication for this is indeed piercing slightly towards RSI in overbought zone. Also, if you look the chart candles combination, today it was small doji, which is higher than previous doji. And also, if you look at MACD, it's completely flat with slight fluctuations, meaning that actually we are just slowly following the trend. Having said that, what we can say, it's already nice to buy if you want to take this small boost mode upwards movement. But if you want to wait until the end of the wave and then to enter, then you just need to wait until we will reestablish ourselves at trend 3 line, so until we touch the trend 3 line. This would be the first buying option, and of course some correction might happen here. If anything bad comes in general globally, then it will be the moving average 50 as a second support line. But usually it's not the case here. It might be slight piercing of trend 3, but not really going to moving average 50. Anyway, this will be as a second support line here. So you can either catch the boost mode now if you want, or you can wait until it relaxes, comes back to trend 3 line. Then it would be a very nice buy opportunity to follow another wave. Very strong overall, long term, of course, very strong Standard & Poor's 500. Just wait for another wave and then enjoy it. That was it for Standard & Poor's 500 ETF funds. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.